Igonagendera tukubwati na kwegokya nemero birionsi imensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 chekema bigo ikerabori na cyaragire chinsa isano na 2 cyabona mubasenga kingo kwariganya etonyore amaya senchira yo bwenge brabasaki baito bayarganiri ase omubaso obono karibu tasange asobwa mu wetera senchira yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook raboga asensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV kurboro goika omwerio eriteriane Ishmael Mogere. Aso muchakano mubasobono omurayibwense William Samuel Ruto niga ariganire na kogokero kubwaterana gwedini yegasaku kyawada wodi dora ne serikali yensi ya Kenya aso kuikeka asensemo yekisemi asatebure serikali nerene kirenga kyugokinia kibese cyekisemi gukinia birengo byobo chenu nabo igobwaga kinyumba cyerigori lyense ime yense yetu ya Kenya aya niga kiremo gega y'umurayibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kumerana na hegesaku ekyo ase ensemo ya Karen Abuasomo waziri w'ekisemu Julius Ogambo mu waziri wa mangane chinse Chesco Musalia Mudavadi nabo igomo gavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nabarayibainde baumiranete negesaku ekega kyaba dawodi dobra asensemo ya Karen asumuchoyega o Nairobi.
Over the last 3 years we have significantly transformed our education sector. We have undertaken some of the most consequential reforms in our education sector to expand opportunity and to ensure that every learner has an opportunity and no child in Kenya is left behind. We have expanded learning spaces with 23,000 classrooms built over the last 3 years. We have expanded the number of teachers with 100,000 teachers hired in the last 3 years. And we have increased our budget to the education sector by 200 billion Kenya shillings in the last 3 years to make sure that we support all our learners and also forge a student-centered funding model to ensure that our universities remain sustainable and every student in college and university is treated fairly and bursaries and grants are given on merit.
The reforms that we are rolling out in the education sector under your visionary leadership seek to entrench holistic education. We seek learning institutions and environments where intellectual development grows alongside character, responsibility, and civic awareness. This institution reflects these priorities in practice. The order, the cleanness, and the discipline across this campus speak clearly of an institution committed to excellence, respect, and purpose.
We are grounded here, and just as this local stone supports this structure, we must, with resilience and strength, support this nation and serve its people. And the entire Daudi Bora community of Kenya stand ready to support this national mission.
Arenayo sensemo yendebune nchiraye mo yokuyarganya bosibo murakera mu waziri boboremi Mutahi Kagwe nigaruko kubore gokiase uburayi bw'iki county kubwaterane serikali yanene eri kweyarganya buronge eri kugacenda ire isaine ya mwanyabanto neri yetugo eri bucego konya engaki umurakera urachake Kagwe asenkwane ya ime county ya Nyeri nigo boigo asemiria baremi betu wosoa asechi union eri nalyo barabe neri yogi na boigo gosirwa.
Ni vizuri county governments ifikirie pia vile tunaweza kusaidia na chakula ya mifugo. What do I have in mind? Pande zingine kwa sababu tunajua kabisa, we know for a fact that a drought is coming. If we know for a fact that a drought is coming, let us prepare for the drought as we prepare for human food. Sisi kama serikali tunanunua chakula, tunaweka NCPB mahindi ya kutosha, so that if we don't get a crop of maize, we can distribute the strategic reserves that we have. We need to do the same for the dairy sector, for the livestock sector. Ndio counties ziwe na viwanda, ziwe na godowns ambazo tunaweza weka silage na hay. We keep it for the dry seasons. Manake watu wanasema tuweke water pans na kila kitu, lakini hata water pan inaisha, inakauka. So we need to think differently, and this can only happen if the national government is also working with the county governments. The county governments must take initiative. It is a devolved function. You command the price that you want when you speak collectively as one voice. Everybody will listen to a person who has got 100 million liters of milk. Everybody will listen to you. But nobody is going to listen to you if you have got 8 liters of milk. So 100 million liters of milk is a strong voice.
Arena iyo bwatikene no burimi gwika asensemu ya Pwani abarayi kurwasa ci county sana ne muchorongo rwa Pwani niko bakiramo na kuragwa no muwaziri utenete wizara ya madini na uchumi y'ebintu bya Roch Hassan Joho mugavara we county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad Nasir asaba akolire gikaro ne wizara y'uburendi bweme gokwanira igoro yaringete orogongorwo asenkwana yo muwaziri w'uburendi bweme Kipchumba Murkomen nigahereremero bya serikali ya bekire erigo eriogo keania ubukebago egati yabasaye butumekibwa Mario gatancheri yo gotindia nabo igoro yo kwerikia na konyora ebibande kurwasa bamenyi bensemeyo.
As you know, we were here last year for Jukwaa la Usalama in April, and we had a discussion about a number of issues that touch on the security, especially on gangs, particularly juvenile gangs, including matters that touch on panga boys and all these other juvenile gangs. I'm happy to note that we have made great progress, and I want to thank the regional security team for the work they have done, but we continue witnessing recurrence of this problem, even if it's not in a huge magnitude, and our discussion was around how best we are going to ensure that these young people, once they are reformed, once they have been arrested and they have been disciplined, we find ways of reforming them and engaging them in other activities. The proposal of the leadership of this region is that we need to have a Kazi sort of climate works program, or Kazi Mtaani sort of a program that will ensure that they are engaged, and also a program to support them to go to technical colleges so that they can be able to live a different life. We know that part of the reasons why they are engaged in this behavior is that some of them also, there is a combination between criminal gangs and the question of drugs and alcohol abuse. Let me say also that first on the juvenile gangs, I want to say that we have made significant progress. We want to partner with the leaders to find ways of making sure that we eliminate this problem completely. Number two, we discussed issues of drugs and alcohol abuse. And I must say that, again, this is an area that there has been a consistent crackdown. You know that recently in the high seas there was drugs that were synthetic drugs that were nabbed, worth about 8 billion. We have also done the same for cannabis, a lot of which comes from our border with Uganda through the northern corridor. And some of those problems which are here is because of porous borders in other parts of the country. And I must say that a lot of work is going on. And because the president has declared that this is the year that we must work to eliminate the problem of drugs in the country, I have shared the strategies with the leaders, some of which, as the governor said, we are not going to discuss openly here. But our focus is to deal with those who are engaged in commercial dealing with drugs in commercial quantities and also dealing with high drugs like heroin, cocaine, and other synthetic drugs.
Kurase orogongo rwa Pwani gwikase county ya Nyeri umurai bwense Daktari William Samoei Ruto ligase ritukuria rero aumirari n'abagwatari b'ekyama kya UDA kurwe county ya Nyeri ase nyombo y'oburai bwense ase county eyo. Ruto ase nkwane yaye ligaire iguru y'okwibanga bose bobochero bonene bwo mwaka bw'echilfu 2025 ase kirenge kenene n'uguchia kwenekya konyora bari omubaro monene bw'echikura mono kurwase chinsemo kire banyorete chikura chinke buna Nyanza na Western ase obochori bwo mwaka bw'echilfu 2025 na ibere.
Nimewaambia siasa, uongozi, maendeleo haitengenezwi na makelele, na fujo, na uadui, na chuki, na mambo ya ukabila. Siasa, uongozi na maendeleo inatengenezwa na urafiki, na utangamano, na ushirikiano, na mambo ya kuunganisha taifa. That is how leadership, development and politics is played. Mimi nikikosa kura ya Nyanza tulipata 2022 tulipata, ya Western tulipata, ya Coast tulipata kidogo. Sasa mimi nataka niwaambie safari hii 2027 tukikosa ya Nyanza ni kwa sababu ya kuzembea kwetu. Tukikosa ya Western ni kwa sababu hatujajipanga. This time round nataka mnisikize vizuri. Hii 2027 ile kura tulipata wakati ile tunataka times 2. Tunaelewana? Negwo kana tigwo? Neturai kuidhania. Munanielewa? Wacha nirudie. Wale ambao kwa urafiki na kutumia akili, sio kutumia fujo, sio kutumia makelele, sio kuweka chuki, sio kuweka ukabila, wale hawakupiga na sisi 2022 watapiga na sisi 2027. Tunaelewana? So na mimi siwezi kubali ati mtu akuja akoroge watu ya Nyeri, awaambie Kasongo sijui nini, Masugo sijui nini hapa, siasa ya bure. Nyinyi mkipima
county ya Migori kubwatira kiombe gia Faridi and Livestraw nigo bae kuseni go bae nanire chimashini chogo chunchuga mache guchia sepito via Early Childhood Development Education ECDE guchia sechi sub county chonsi komenebire mugabara wi county eyo Daktari Uchilo ayako nigairero buno murubiri oyo ni guchia kwene kimuna aboroki wankonyora bare amache amayaba kunywase county eyo.
Have come here today to officially flag off the distribution of Livestraw so that we can drink clean water, have healthy children who are healthy, children who do not get sick, children who are energetic are the children who will pass their examinations, grow into good adults and build this nation when we are no longer at the scene. So this gift, this service that we are partnering with Vastgard Fransen Incorporation Limited is very important to the future, the present and the future of Migori County and Kenya, and it's a good one. Also sub-counties ambayo zimepata chache zitaongezwa. So this is just the start of this program.
Konganya kurwimia nseto ya Kenya gwika ense ya Buganda abantu 13 nigo bakagire gusiria magima abo ase ensemo ya Butambala umucho Kampala ense ya Uganda magiga yabo bisabo borendi kubasa osegusagana nkayo mukonyi bomurwaniri bwekero kyoburayi bwense ya Uganda weterekia makia National Unity Platform muwanga Kivumbi abarwaniriri bwobwene bwamanya abantu kurwase ense ya Uganda bakoragwa na Dius Kanyensige bagukwanira igoro y'abachoro bonene bwensi ya Uganda nigo bayirire nigo bagikeire bikoro by'abanyanyimbo gutumeka chinguru wetania kerengo asobochori batebire bwairire nobotutukanu obunge asense ya Uganda.
But what we can confirm is 13 people have been killed this morning, January 16th, in front of the home of National Unity Platform Vice President Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi in Utambara by police and other army units. Before we came here, I also received some bad news that the NUP president, that's Robert Sentam Chagrani, Ras Bobwine, has also been put under house arrest. Military and police have surrounded his residence in Magere. They have gone ahead to jump over his fence and erected tents inside his compound as though it is a campsite. They have cut off all roads leading to his residence, so no going out, no going inside. So we are worried about his safety.
But we have a lot of the phone lines are actually still open, so they don't have internet, but you're able to make direct calls. A lot of their house, their vehicles were damaged, tear gas was thrown into the home, and all of these people were just murdered who are outside and gathering in their property.
The Electoral Commission is completely not in charge. It's either the military and the police and of course the regime, the bosses. So he has to dance according to the tune of the bosses or of the regime. Usually when you ask him, for example, to address the issue of police brutality during the campaign phase, or even these irregularities within the election process, he's unable to answer. He will say we shall investigate. And if there is one thing that I would board by their head with one sword is this issue of we shall investigate. Investigate until when? Because there are so many issues that they never have an ending to any of the investigations.
We witnessed that during the campaign, especially the NRM, they were allowed to be able to campaign. Yet, when it came to the opposition, military was deployed and disrupted many of the campaign processes and also campaign events. So the silence by the Electoral Commission is not surprising. And so by asking that question, it's obvious that state capture.
Chideka diko mna kianda yurechi seisano na ibere chabo no mobasuno wekera buno to wekera omwerio asama yase nchira yobwenge asomo basobono korende chinsa gosige koraga insa ya mune chinsa isatono chikumura na manera Clinton yondigi ekerara chigo ko yaretera asenchira yobwagari unabaseki baito barachiko yarigania aseritko eriga endera kubwatemero birende yatigere ase mubasomo gima wekaritko ya Jumatatu na koganirie weekend yengiye reterane Ishmael Mogere.